Bonjour, hola! I'm Madam Thomas and I'm here to tell you about the French and Spanish A-level courses and why studying a foreign language is an excellent option at A-level. First of all, why study a foreign language at A-level? The world is changing at a fast pace and new jobs being created every year. Who knows? Perhaps the job that you will do doesn't even exist yet. With this in mind, the objective should be to learn skills as well as information. By studying a foreign language, you are learning an entire skill set, which will improve your career opportunities. Businesses are seeking linguists and workers who speak a foreign language, and they earn on average 20% more than those without a foreign language. Foreign languages complement any subject, whether they are science-based, humanities, or arts and technology. There is currently a huge call from employers for the communication skills acquired through learning language, which is applicable across all sectors and complements any career path. If you thought that your only option was to teach or to become a translator, think again. There are many opportunities to use a foreign language in international business organizations, finance, marketing, communications, and IT, to name a few. Remember, the majority of the European population speak at least 3 languages, so why not put yourselves at a level playing field with your foreign counterparts in the job market? Studying a foreign language often leads to opportunities to live, study, and work abroad. The course is divided into 4 themes. Themes 1 and 2 are studied at AS, and themes 3 and 4 are studied at A2. The themes, being a young person in a French or Spanish-speaking society, and diversity and difference, are ones which resonate in the lives of young people today, enabling the learner to empathise with issues and deepen their knowledge of how they affect the country or communities where French or Spanish is spoken. Understanding the French or Spanish-speaking world immerses learners in the culture of France and Spain. The 4th theme introduces learners to a country-specific theme, focusing on key periods in the country's history, including significant events in political, intellectual and artistic culture, which have helped to shape the countries as they are today. The qualifications are made up of a total of 5 examination units, 2 of which are assessed at the end of Year 12 and the remaining 3 at the end of Year 13. Units 1 and 3 are speaking assessments. Unit 2 is a combined listening, reading and translation and critical writing paper. The Year 13 speaking exam is an independent research project. Unit 4 is a reading, listening and translation exam, and Unit 5 is an analytical essay in French or Spanish on the literary work studied in class. And so we've reached the end of the presentation. If you have further questions, please do not hesitate to send me an email or come and see me. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Gracias. Adiós.